A motor boy absconds with cement landed truck. This one happened according to the news. Say 600 bags of cement, Dangote cement. The Dangote driver wey they give this truck. Na him they load for Ogun State. Now this one happen. The man they load cement for back motor. As the motor just full, na him the motor boy wey suppose be assistant of the truck driver just zoom off till as we speak. So they no see cement, they no see driver. In case you see the boy wey
they catch the boy.
they catch am.
They ask her why. Say they test the brake. Say one know whether the brake or the motor dey work.
As we speak now, police for Ogun State say every effort to find the boy has proved unsuccessful.
This matter make me remember kidnappers wey
dey happen.
This is funny now. Kidnappers wey kidnap person. Now they give the demand for 5 million. The person they give 5 million, make go kidnappers don't carry the money run. So now the kidnappers and the police now they find the guy. Now the kidnappers
supposed they go
now the kidnappers shout, you be thief. Anyway they go punish you, who go kill you. You will not be well with you, thief. You carry our sweat to run. This country
we labor for.
This country, forget it. Now come in the country. Don't be your basketball tell us a person come buy goods for one Igbo man shop, goods of 100,000, give a fake currency. News people come ask the man the para. This country is messed up. How on earth can you have the mind to come to your fellow man's shop and buy goods with fake currency? Fake currency. It's bad. And the reporters ask him, okay, sir, where is the money? Say, well, I've spent it. I spent it. I used to buy goods too. Say, I buy goods this morning too.
But you just want to tell me.
Say, no good.